Hey, Danny here, and welcome to the vlog. And this is Project Ford, and I'm going to remove the intake on an 03 Ford Escape so I can replace the number 3 spark plug coil. Hear that. Sweet. Back one doesn't appear to be too bad. Alright, takes care of that. Now, what I want to do is take that. I want to cover over my holes. Because if you drop a screw in that hole, you're going to have a bad rest of the day. So, it's a real good idea to take something and cover over that hole. Now, what I'm going to do is squeezy peasy and pop your butt off of there. Come on. There we go. And that is another 8, I believe. Not 8. Yeah, everything back here that I'm using is an 8. So I'm in good shape. Okay. Come on. I want to see that you're coming out and that that cockamamie thread or Healy coil is not coming with it. I'm not going to be happy. Alright, come here. Healy coil stayed? Yep, okay. And again, there you go again with what happens when the salt gets underneath and rusts it down. Alright, so that's that coil. Where's my brake? Alright. Very nice. Now, I've got a coil that's good. I know that coil there is good. And in the video there, you saw that I picked up 2 new ones. Quote, quote, two new ones. And what I'm going to do is because I don't know the condition of these 2, I'm going to go ahead and put one that I know is good, which is this one here, back there. Kind of what you got to do when you deal with the junkyard, because you don't know what you're getting here. Oh, why is... Man, it's hard. son of a gun. Seriously? I just put that... Oh, man. Oh, my word. Oh. Oh. Not good. Now I have another problem. Yeah. I guess while I'm here, I'm going to take a look at that plug. She can't look really that good because of the fact that it's been fouling. Alright. Okay. So I'm going to pull it, just to pull and check that plug real quick. Back there. Oh, I hate when stuff like that happens. I need a longer extension. Like I said, this vehicle is a pain. Pain, pain, pain. The heck, yeah? Always something. The heck? Good shape. These are like 40. I believe these are 40. Like 44. Yeah. Oh, and leave it nice. There you go. Hiding under there all the time. Nice and white, which means I got a good, I'm not burning any oil. Like 55 on the 55 on that gap. Okay, right down there. It tells you it's between 52 and 56. And gap right now. 52 to 56, she's sitting about 55. So it's actually a good, actually not a bad distance. Gives you a good spark, live spark there. I just brought it down to about 54. Good to go. And your and the terminal in there looks really good. It's not inside. It's not inside, so let's get this back in. So there's a lesson learned. You got to be careful of the or the sockets, screw sockets. Fortunately now I got another mess I gotta deal with, but I'm not gonna worry about that until I get the top put back on, because that's exposed. I can get right to it. Hardest part is getting this taken care of. Oh no, don't do that. There you go. Oh, come on. I wouldn't do that stuff. Okay. So, let's see. Alright, we're back. And 89 inch-pounds. I'm in the number 1 hole right now. And she let go. Number 2 is right here. There it goes. There is nothing. There's really nothing to it. It's basically hand done, but and then straight across from it. It's just a matter of getting it. Getting them as close to uniform as possible. How did that go? Why is it ain't that? There you go. Go. Alright. It was 3. 4 up front here. Whole thing, they just trying to make sure everything's uniform. I feel it go. Nugget. Okay, it was 4. 5 is back up here. There you go. That's all there is to it. There's not much. It's almost hand tight. It's 5, 6. Straight across right here. Okay. 6 and 7 is on the outside over here. Okay. 7. And number 8. Your final one. Right here. Okay, there we go. Sweet. Alright. Takes care of that. Let's see. And take. Okay. Still gaskets. New mating surface clean, flat. Make sure the goose gas sealant. Don't use any kind of sealants, but I used. I put a little bit of grease on them. Get the upper manifold. So all the valves tighten, fastens in 3 or 4 steps in sequence. to the torque listed in the specifications, which is 39, but gonna worry about it. I just tape manifold up to 89 inch-pounds, but I'm just gonna do it the one time. It's just the way I'm doing it.